TRG for you TV here out in my house, actually. Anyways, I just had traffic court this morning, and I figured I'd share a little bit of what happened, which I thought was absolutely hilarious. The officer in question, Eric Bronson, pulled me over, and I do believe it was February 2nd. It is now, May 21st? So it took him a while to give me a court date. The officer said that I was going 75 and a 55. Proceeded to tell me all kinds of nonsense. And proceeded to tell me on the back of the ticket, oh yeah, you can pay your ticket here. You can pay your ticket here. Let me tell you right now, I don't care if he got me on radar or not. I do not speed. And I even have a device in my car called the Hum from Verizon, which tracks my speed. So I know damn well I'm not speeding. And the funniest thing about it all was, let me explain to y'all what happened in court today. So I went before the judge. Before I went before the judge, actually, the district attorney and a police officer, who was not Eric Bronson, by the way, came up to me. Both of them tried to convince me that there was a motion for a continuance, which means that the court date is going to be issued on another day because the officer could not show up because, I don't know. They said that he was in Bangor doing an OUI dispute, I guess, in court up there in Bangor. Well, this is in Skowhegan traffic court, so either way, it doesn't matter. Anyways, so what ended up happening was they both tried to convince me that the motion for a continuance was already granted. I said, really? Because I'm pretty sure that has to go before a judge and be granted by a judge, not just, oh, it's just granted. No. They lied to me. Both of them tried. Both of them tried to lie to me. Both the police officer and the district attorney tried to lie to me and tell me, because I'm not a lawyer, so I shouldn't know what it is that's going on. Anyways, I'll keep this short. Anyway, so I sat right back down. I said, nope. I'm going to go before the judge, and I'm going to ask her what she thinks about this. By the way, they motioned for the continuance Friday, May 18th. It is May 21st. May 18th and May 21st are only 3 days away from each other. Okay? So let me explain something to you about that. That is not enough time to give me proper notice, which they need to do, to actually have a case. And because they did not have a case, the judge saw me. She goes, Mr. Haywood, do you agree with the continuance? I said, no, Your Honor, I do not. She looked over at the district attorney. She said, why was it filed 3 days ago? Oh, well, that's when we got this was the district attorney's response. Oh, well, that's when we got notice that the officer couldn't be here. The judge, the look on her face was priceless. She goes, really? You guys are ridiculous. She didn't say that, but I could read her thoughts. She was saying it in her head. You guys are ridiculous. You expect this young man right here to come back another day because y'all did a continuance 3 days ago. No. That's ridiculous. Anyways, so the judge looked at them, said motion denied on their continuance, looked at me, said case dismissed, you're free to go. I thought it was absolutely hilarious, and I figured I'd just share that with y'all. Have a good day. Subscribe to my channel. I know y'all haven't seen my face, but I plan on putting it on camera a little bit more. Maybe you guys like me, maybe you don't. I don't know. I got a crooked tooth. See the crooked tooth? I don't know. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Doesn't really matter anyways. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. And if you ever get pulled over for speeding, always show up in court. TRG 4U TV, peace and out.